Meet Kamin Samuel, a pioneering spirit whose achievements soar beyond the horizon. From breaking barriers as the U.S. Navy's first female African-American helicopter pilot to pioneering roles in technology and media, Kamin has chartered a course of inspiring leadership. With over 9 years of distinguished military service and a groundbreaking transition to a top executive, her journey reflects a relentless pursuit of excellence. Today, she stands as a beacon of empowerment, holding a PhD in positive neuropsychology and authoring 5 best-selling books. As an international rapid transformation coach and therapist, Kamin transforms the lives and businesses of leaders worldwide, teaching them to thrive with a wealth and success mindset. Her voice rings out at global workshops, her strategies reshape corporate landscapes, and her upcoming documentary, Courage to Thrive, promises to illuminate the power of perseverance. Join us in celebrating Kamin Samuel, author, filmmaker, visionary, and a transformative force in every arena she touches.